Let's be serious. Hindi ko kaya. Ang ganda ng background ko, no? Aesthetic. Pang OFWs. Testing, testing, testing. Ding, 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 ding. City to 1 size 7, please. City to 1 size 7, please. Ding, 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 ding. Mag-mic nga tayo mga kunars para intense ang usapan natin. Let's go. Just a moment. Alam niyo ba mga kunars na pwede ka makabili ng condo dito sa Pilipinas kahit based ka sa ibang bansa? Yes po mga kunars, tayo mga OFWs are able to purchase a condo dito sa Pilipinas kahit hindi tayo nakakauwi ng bansa. Thanks to SMDC and to Miss Pauline Tinsley because buying your very first home away from home is possible. Amazing! I'm good. I'm so good. Bilang isang OFW, investing at an early stage of life, financial discipline and independence is very important. Kaya nga tayo nag-abroad kasi we want financial stability and freedom. And mabibigay yun sa atin ng real estate because real estate remains one of the best investments globally. Nag-a-appreciate ang value niya over time. Tapos proven na safe ang investment mo kahit nasa ibang bansa ka because it allows you to take control of your investments. Pwede mo siyang ipa-rent, ipa-Airbnb, or in the future, pwede mo rin siyang ibenta. Ang nakakatawa pa po kay Miss Pauline, she will help you every step of the way. From creating an SMDC account, processing of your documents, processing of your monthly payments, and even your down payment. Lahat hanggang sa maipangalan sa iyo ang iyong property, tutulungan ka ni Miss Pauline Tinsley. Kaya naman sa aking mga OFW kunars, if you're planning to have your dream condo here in the Philippines, choose SMDC and Team Pauline Tinsley. I am very happy to be able to show you this property mga kunars dahil unang-una po sa lahat, hindi po ito sa akin. Full disclaimer mga kunars, once na ma-turn over sa inyo ang inyong property, this will be unfurnished. Kayo po ang magbe-build ng inyong future home, pero pwede po kayong tulungan ng SMDC. So what are you waiting for? Choose SMDC, choose Pauline Tinsley. Pretty check and roar! Amazing!